Hello, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. We are on week 7, and I'm caught up to exactly where everybody else is today. So, in this week 7's theme was scrap paper. Well, I always have a ton of that. So, boom, there we go. So, I did a collage on the back of all bits and pieces of my scrapbooking paper. And I took some stencils and I created these out of scrapbooking paper too. I kind of went around and made it look like a kind of stitch look, like it's a quilt, was my thought process. So that's why you see the little going around each little piece of paper and then the little stitches. And then in this one was a straight stitch. I think that's what it's called. So that you get that effect. And this is all little pieces of paper I had in my little scrap basket. So this is what this one looks like. And that one. So I can't wait till next Sunday. I got all the weeks that we started. Let's start from the beginning. So the first one was introduction, and then photographs, and then stickers, and then winter, and then quotes, and Valentine's Day, and then scrap paper. So, and I thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see what next week is. Make sure you use some of the stuff that you have in your stash. That's for sure when you do these kind of things. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.